All About Sound by Lisa Trumbauer. Hello, can you hear me? Your voice is a sound. A ringing telephone is a sound too. Music is sound. Singing, talking, and laughing are also sounds. Hit a drum, and what do you hear? A sound. A drum makes a booming sound. Strum a guitar, and you will hear a different sound. Now strum a guitar again. What do you see? Look closely. The strings move back and forth very quickly. This movement is called a vibration. Vibrations make sounds. You can see some vibrations. Place a ruler on the edge of a table. Hold one end of the ruler flat on the table. Pull down on the other end of the ruler and let it go. The ruler vibrates. The ruler makes a sound. You can feel some vibrations. When you speak, your throat vibrates. Put your hand on your throat and sing. Do you feel the vibrations? You can feel other sound vibrations too. Put your hand on a radio. You can feel it vibrate. Turn off the radio and the vibrations stop. Sound can travel. You can hear someone shout across the room. The sound travels to your ear. Inside your ear, very small bones vibrate. These vibrations send messages to your brain. Your brain tells you what you hear. Sound can travel through some objects. It can travel through a wooden door. Sound can travel through water. Dolphins and whales talk underwater. You can make sounds too. Hit a pot with a spoon. Blow into a whistle or clap your hands. Guess what? You have made a band. What other sounds can you make? The end.